On behalf of TVLesson.com, I'm Dr. Carol Clark, a sex therapist with drcarolclark.com. Let's talk a little bit about sex addiction. Sex addiction is obsessive, compulsive, out of control behavior done in spite of negative consequences to self or others. And when we talk about sex addiction, we're talking about sexual behavior, not all sex. With sex addiction, it's behaviors that are obsessive, compulsive, and out of control, and done in spite of negative consequences to self or others. So that could include masturbation, going online, looking at internet pornography, going to strip clubs, picking up prostitutes, having anonymous sex, having serial affairs, having several affairs at the same time. So any kind of addictive behavior that is obsessive, compulsive, and out of control. And it's having negative consequences on you and the people who love you. It prevents intimacy. True intimacy is that feeling of connection that you have with another person when you're completely present and focused on that person, when you're aware of them, when you're in love with them, and feel that love. Any kind of addictive behavior, be it sex or any other kind of behavior, is a barrier to intimacy because your mind is always on that behavior. When am I going to get to do it again? I'm doing it, feeling bad about doing it. One of the main components about sex addiction is the shame and despair and guilt that people feel after they've been sexually active and acting out in an addictive manner. People who become sexually addictive are cut off from intimate relationships. And so in healing from that, we want to establish or reestablish those true intimate connections. So that's a little bit about sex addiction. On behalf of TVLesson.com, this has been Dr. Carol Clark. Thank you for watching.